Welcome friends. In this video, we will create the world's simplest machine learning model with Python. The machine learning model that we have chosen is Simple Linear Regression model. A simple linear regression model estimates the relationship between two variables. There is one independent variable which is denoted by x and one dependent variable which is denoted by y. The linear equation is y equal to mx plus b, where m is our slope and b is our intercept. There are four simple steps to create the simplest machine learning model. The first step is importing the necessary libraries. First of all, we import our required libraries. Here are two required libraries which are Matplotlib and Pandas. We have successfully imported both the libraries. The second step is importing the dataset. We will import the dataset on which we will create the model. This is the syntax to import a dataset. The dataset has been imported, and this is our simple dataset that I have created for the explanation purpose. Here are two variables. First one is experience, which is our x independent variable. The second one is salary, which is our y or dependent variable. We will estimate the salary depending on the experience of the employee. The third step is training the model, or you can say building the model. In this step, there are three lines of code which you have to learn. In first line, we will import the linear regression model from sklearn library. This is our first line of the code. In the second line of the code, we will create a linear regression object. This is the code to create a linear regression object. And in the third line of the code, we will fit our x and y in the linear regression model. This is our x variable, which is experience, and this is our y variable, which is salary. You have to remember one thing here, that we have to put x variable in the form of a 2D array. Means we have to write two brackets, while we have to use single bracket to fit the y variable. Now this line shows that the model has been trained or built successfully. In the fourth step, we will start making predictions. To predict, we will use the predict function. In the predict function, we will pass the value of x. If I pass 5, means 5 years, and if I see the result, it is showing that for 5 years of experience, the salary should be 31,484. We can check it from here. As you can see, it is showing the salary as 31,000, which is approximately close to our predicted value. You have to remember one thing here, that we have to put the x in the form of a 2D array. Means we have to put the value of x in two square brackets. If we predict one more value like 12 years, then you can see that it is showing the salary must be 70,896 for 12 years of experience. If we see here, it is showing that for 10 years of experience, the salary is 60,000. So we can say that the predicted value for 12 years of experience is approximately correct. So these are the four simple steps to create a simple linear regression models. If we want to see some more details about this model, then we can check these also. If we want to check the accuracy or the score of the model, we can use model.score, and it is showing the accuracy of our model is 99.6%, which is very good. We can also check the coefficient of our model with model.coef. The coefficient of our model is 5630, which is denoted by m. We can also check the intercept, which is 333.33, which is denoted by b. Now we can put these m and b and x in this equation and predict the y. To do so, first of all we will copy the value of m, which is this, multiply by value of x. If I use this value 5, means we are checking the value of y for 5 years of experience, plus b, which is our intercept. Then it is showing 31484, which is this value. So our model is very good. We can also draw the best fit line. The best fit line is drawn with the available data points and the predicted data points. This is the code to draw the best fit line. The red stars are the actual data points, while this line is drawn with the actual year of experience and the predicted salary. So it was about simple linear regression model. In our next videos we will come up with these models. So friends, subscribe to our channel to get the latest notification updates.